up in our window channel right here, and clean a couple of patches up because I got holes in the window channel, and water will get down in there, rot out my floors and my quarter panels and stuff. The car's kind of shoved over to the side of the garage here, so my welder's way over on the other side of the car. My ground's way over there too. Hopefully this won't be a big deal. Hey gang, alright, up here on the passenger side A-pillar of our 66 Nova project. It's a pretty funny little story. You see, we had several small little rust holes poking through, and I started to make a video up, all serious like, about how I was going to show you how to make a patch panel for this. But when I got this thing cut off, as you can see, it was just all toast, and at that point I was like, what the hell? Looked on Classic Industries website, saw that the hinge pillar cover was only 30 bucks, so got ahead and got it ordered up and got it in, because I went ahead and then removed the rest of the A-pillar cover, and that right there is what she looks like on the inside. And I even discovered a bunch more pinholes, which I had previously not seen while it was on there. And so I'm guilty of it. I'm sure many of you are guilty of it, where we just see a little pinhole there and we break out with our MIG welder and we just zzz, and sometimes it blows a little bit bigger, so we crank the heat down and we get it to just fill, and then we pack it with a little bit of fiberglass. But like I said, I've done it. I'm sure a lot of you have done it. That's what's on the inside right there. They used to tell me back when I was learning, if you got a rust hole on the outside, it's 10 times bigger on the inside. So there's a little top piece. Over here sits our new hinge pillar cover. I went ahead and, like I said, removed the other. Got crazy with the wire wheel and epoxy primer on the structural inner part of the pillar. Got it down with a coat of epoxy primer, hopefully make it last, and we've now got our piece sitting in, which we have fit to our front window molding trim, which in this car doesn't matter as much as you think, because it gets a huge rubber gasket. So the metal trim kind of sits on the inside of the rubber gasket, and it's held in with the window and the rubber gasket, kind of like an old truck style type of thing. But like I said, we're all there. We got to go back and hit all this with a wire wheel, get all that lead out of there, and then go ahead and get our EDP off our cover so we can make for a good clean weld. This is all cleaned up, at least in the area where it's affected. Our E-coat has been cleaned up around our welds, and we've got auto darkening cam set up. So I've been having pretty good luck. As you can see, my hole punch wouldn't set fully on the flange, and I got a lot of half circles punched. And so I've been having decent luck, kind of like you would weld up a crack, where I'll start up here and then weld into the plug weld hole. So let's get it fired up. welds are all ground down. Just gonna start doing some tinning to get ready for our leg joint.
All right.